Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome magnetic wireless charger from a company called SWIO, S-W-I-O. This is a MagSafe compatible wireless charger. It's compatible with any MagSafe iPhone, but what's awesome is the charger itself comes with the stand, but also comes out of the stand and can be used with other phones or other key compatible wireless charging devices, which is just great. We're going to cover all that. First, let's talk really quick about what comes in the box. Inside of that box, you're going to get the MagSafe wireless charger, which has a nice long cord on it so that you can put this wherever you need to put this. You also get the stand, and that's what's significant, is that the charger fits in the stand to work as a stand, but also comes out of the stand. And then you also get the 20-watt USB Type-C charger. And that is a 20-watt charger, so fully compatible of not only running this wireless charger, but you could also use that to directly charge an iPhone or any phone you want. So that's just awesome that they include everything you need in the package, including a 20-watt charger. Now let's talk about the star of the show, which is this stand and the magnetic wireless charger. Yes, this is magnetic. You can see the stand has this nice rubber pad, non-slip, non-skid pad around the magnetic charger, and so when you have it in the stand, it's great. It works. It holds the phone very strongly as long as you're using either the phone without a case or with a MagSafe compatible case, as I usually do. And you can see, you stick your phone on this and it sticks right to it. It'll work in horizontal mode. It'll work in vertical mode. It's great if you keep it by your bedside. I like putting it in horizontal mode at night and having an alarm clock app that I run at night so I can see what time it is if I wake up in the middle of the night. But you could also use it in a vertical mode on here and use it with FaceTime or something like that. Works great. The stand itself is a nice looking, very simple, very elegant looking, nice metal finish. And then they have this nice cord organizer here in the back, so you just pop the cord into that so that you can then run it to that 20-watt USB-C charger that they include. What's awesome is you can also take this magnetic wireless charger out of here. You can take it out of here and lay it flat. You can lay your phone on top of it or stick your phone to it, and you can see it's got that strong magnet, so your phone will stick to it. It will not fall off, which is awesome. But when it's out of the stand, you could also use it with any key compatible phone. This is standard key wireless charging, which is what the iPhone uses, also what every other Android phone uses for wireless charging, and also many other things. So you could use this to charge your AirPods that are wireless charging compatible, or my Samsung Galaxy Buds that are wireless charging compatible. So that's what's great about this, is it's got multiple uses, and you can use it in multiple ways. And then when you want to use it with the stand, it just pops right into the stand, and then you have this awesome, nice looking, very simple MagSafe compatible wireless charging stand, and your phone just sticks to it and it just works. This is a really awesome product by SWIO, again, S-W-I-O. If you're looking for a MagSafe compatible wireless charger for your iPhone, especially you want one that does offer the stand capabilities to prop your phone up or have your phone in that vertical or horizontal mode. Even the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is a heavy phone, what I have, holds it with no problem at all. Then this is definitely the product for you. It is great. It works great. I love it, and I would highly recommend it. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my future videos. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.